Alright, let's talk about something every true car lover can relate to, why petrol engines just sound better. You know the sound I'm talking about, the high-pitched wail of a V8, the crackles on downshift, the rising growl as you push the throttle. Why don't diesels ever give us those chills? Well, here's the secret behind petrol's sweet symphony. First off, it's all about the way these engines burn fuel. Petrol engines use spark plugs to ignite a smooth air-fuel mix. It's a controlled explosion, super even, which gives you this clean, almost melodic sound. Diesel? Totally different story. They squeeze air until it's crazy hot, then inject fuel, so it explodes instantly. Bang! That creates those rough, uneven pressure spikes, which is why diesels always make that signature clatter or knock. Now, let's talk RPMs. Petrol engines love to rev 6, 7, sometimes 8,000 RPMs. That higher speed means higher frequency sound. It's more musical, more exciting, and feels like the engine is singing. Diesels? They run slower, usually topping out around 3,000 to 5,000 RPMs. The sound is just deeper, rougher, and, let's be honest, a little more like a work truck than a race car. Next up, engine design. Diesels have to be built like tanks, massive, heavy components to survive all that compression. More weight means more vibration and more mechanical noise. Petrol engines, though, are lighter and smoother, so you get that crisp, clean tone without all the extra rattling. And don't even get me started on exhaust notes. Petrol engines send out exhaust gases in a smooth, consistent flow. That's why you get those sharp pops, crackles, and that glorious high-pitched rev. Diesels, on the other hand, are all about abrupt pressure pulses. Toss in a big old turbo, and the result is a flatter, more muffled sound. Now think about performance. Petrol engines build power gradually. They want to be revved out. That's what creates the rising engine note we all crave. Diesels, they're all about torque, low revs, and don't need to scream to get the job done, so you miss out on that dramatic sound change. But let's be real, there's a cultural side too. Petrol engines are tied to sports cars, racing, performance driving, so even if it's a bit subjective, high-revving, sharp response sounds are just better to most people. Sure, modern diesels are way quieter and smoother than before, thanks to tech like common rail injection and twin turbos. But they still don't sing like a good old petrol engine. So bottom line, petrol engines sound better because of smoother combustion, higher revs, less vibration, and a more musical exhaust. Diesel is lower, rougher, and just more mechanical. That's the secret behind petrol's sweet symphony, music to any car enthusiast's ears.
That's brilliant.
Sick.